Hi there, my name's Olivia and I am a fitness instructor here in New York City. I live a very active lifestyle, so whether I am outside working out or if I'm working out where there's windows, I'm always looking for a good SPF. Right now, my go-to is Supergoop's Play Everyday Lotion. It has SPF 50 in it. Finding the right water and sweat-resistant sunscreen has always been somewhat of a challenge for me. I've had my fair share of experiences with sunscreens that either sting when they come into my eyes or they leave those annoying white streaks on your face when you start sweating. But Play Everyday Lotion has seriously changed the game, and it's not an exaggeration to say that this is really the best sunscreen. It's been a lifesaver for me. For starters, it's a clean chemical, reef-safe sunscreen that doesn't contain oxybenzone or octinoxate. When I work out, I like to choose a clean chemical sunscreen because it allows my skin to sweat naturally and properly cool itself down. All right, so let me show you how I apply it. I have clean skin and I'm not wearing any makeup. So I just take a generous amount and apply it all over my face and whatever is exposed of my body. I love how fast absorbing it is and how it doesn't leave my skin feeling sticky or greasy. The formula is actually really moisturizing and lightweight too, and it feels nourishing. That's thanks to ingredients like sunflower extract, which is rich in beta carotene and helps protect your skin from environmental elements. So that's why I love Supergoop's Play Everyday Lotion with SPF 50 for all of my active days, which is basically every day.